Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to play Yankee Doodle on the violin. This little melody we're going to be playing in the key of A major. We will actually be using two different hand shapes in this melody. If you're new to playing, make sure you check out these scale tutorials over here where I run through the 4 different basic hand patterns that we can use to get most of our notes in first position. And for Yankee Doodle, we're going to be using the M shape on the A string, and on the D string, we're going to be using the high shape, where the third finger moves up next to where the 4 would go, or we've got a space between 1 and 2 and a space between 2 and 3. We're going to be starting on our open A string. So we've got A, 1, 2, open A, 2, 1, open A, 1, 2, A, then high 3 on the D string, then open A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, A, high 3 on the D, 1 on the D, 2, high 3, open A, then 2 on the D, high 3, 2, 1, 2, high 3, open A, on the D, 1, 2, 1, open D, high 3 on the G string, 1, 2 on the D, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you can use 4 or open A, same note, 2, 1, you can use 4 or open A, high 3, then 1 on the A, open A. If you are a complete beginner, you might like to play my very, very simple duet part, which is simply open strings. You'll just need open A, open E, open D strings throughout. You can download this music for free. Simply click on the link below. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks so much for joining me here at Violin with Catherine. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in other videos, and I'll catch you next time.